badam, saffron. These juice are fresh juice. Wow, badam saffron is always good. Pakoda, badam, saffron. Yummy. Now